Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this video, let's learn about function with function as argument. So what does this mean? This means we are going to pass a function itself as an argument to another function. So till now we studied about passing a value or a variable as an argument to function. So today let's learn how to pass a function as an argument. For that, I'll simply define a simple function and name it as change. So this function is going to change something. I'm passing a parameter message to this change function. And now we'll define what it is going to change. So I'll say message dot upper. I have to make use of return here to return this result from this function. So what this function is doing? It is doing a simple job of changing a given message to uppercase using upper method. Now I'll define one more function. So let's say I'll name my function as greet and I'll pass a parameter to this function as text. Now let us take one more variable as result and make use of this text argument as a function now. So let's provide a string here, hello all and welcome to Python training. So this is my string here. Now let's print this result as well to observe the result in output screen. Note that we have not called any of these two functions till now. Now we'll call this greet function, but I will pass a parameter as change function. So observe here comes our concept of passing a function as argument to another function. So we have two functions, greet and change. I am passing change function as an argument to greet function. So if I do this, what happens actually? Let's understand. Whenever I call this greet function, control moves to line number 6. So in line number 6, greet is taking text as an argument. So when you hover your cursor here itself you can make out text has been now copied with change function because I am passing an argument to greet as change. So now here greet of change function comes. So what this change function is doing? Change function is changing the string to uppercase. So here change function has been called. This message now will get converted to uppercase. So our result should be the string which we are seeing here should be converted to uppercase. So let's run this first. So now here you can observe that all the letters of this string has been converted to uppercase. I hope you are clear with this concept and how to make use of function as an argument to another function and how exactly it works when we pass a function itself as an argument to other functions. So what is higher order function? Higher order function is a function that operates on other functions. If you like our videos to support us, leave us a feedback in the comment section. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, request you to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.